Hello students, so let's continue the explanation of the chapter Mizbil the Otter. In my last explanation I was telling you about that he trying to clean his mud by shaking himself to get rid of the mud and but it took another month of the continuous cleaning and washing to bring out his actual color. The author named his pet Mijbil, or in short, he used to call him Midge. Mijbil belonged to a race of otters that had been recently discovered by the zoologists named Lutrogale persipicillata maxwelli and was thus known as the Maxwell's otter. It means this race of the otters was unknown to the science or to the zoologists before now. It took the otter a little time to open up and get comfortable in his new surroundings. He was at a distance on the first day, slept with the narrator in his bed, lying on the crook of his knees on the second, and began to know his surroundings better on the third. ओके फर्स्ट सेकेंड डे तो वो नरेटर के पास ही रहा, थोड़ी सी न्यू सराउंडिंग को पहचानने में उसको टाइम लगा, लेकिन वो बाद में काफ़ी अपनी न्यू सराउंडिंग से फेमिलियर हो गया. नाउ गिवन मेड अ बेल्ट फॉर द ऑटर जस्ट लाइक डॉग्स हैव टू टेक ऑन द लीड वेर एवर दे वेंट. When he first took the otter into the bathroom, he discovered that the midge liked playing with the water. He would jump and roll in water like the hippopotamus did. So this was a characteristic of the otters to get infuriated with still water. So they played with it and splashed it till the last drop in the bowl, or you can say bucket. Otters liked moving water, and when Mijbil saw still water, it seemed that he got angry and would sit in it, splash it and try to overturn it from the bowl. मतलब ऐसा लगता था कि मिजबिल को ऑटर्स को स्टिल वाटर पसंद नहीं था, उनको पानी हिलता हुआ और मूवमेंट वाला ये पसंद था. अगर वो देखता था कि स्टिल वाटर है तो वो उसमें बैठकर स्प्लैश करके उसको हिला दिया करता था. इट वॉज हिज हैबिट. ओके 2 days soon after the otter became the acquainted, or you can say the familiar with the comfortable with that place, he escaped alone to the bathroom and tried opening the tap with his paws. Surprisingly enough, he managed to open the tap enough to get a trickle of water and then more to get the full flow, since he started by turning it in the right direction. On the other occasion, he would twist in the tighter by moving it in the wrong direction and ended up being disappointed when water did not flow from it. So, he is trying to open the tap by turning it from here in different directions, because as he loved water, so and when he get comfortable in his surroundings, so he himself went there in the bathroom and trying to open the tap. Soon the otter learned to follow the author without a lead. It used to come to him when he called his name. Midge was very fond of the playing. He would spend most of his time playing with the ball, dragging it and pushing it throughout the room and going after it. Otters are generally known to be fond of lying on their backs and juggle with objects between the paws. उनकी आदत होती है कि कमर के बल लेट जाते हैं और किसी भी बॉल को या किसी भी चीज़ के साथ अपने पॉज के साथ, अपने पंजों के साथ जगलिंग करते हैं. Similarly, Midge loved engaging himself with marbles and never dropped one on the floor. He would take 2 or more marbles and roll them on his wide, flat stomach. Okay, these are the different ways in which the Mijbil used to play. That's it for now, class.